Hello students, today we will learn English grammar lesson number 3 kinds of noun. See, in 4th, 5th, 6th we have learned nouns. So first we know what is a noun. A noun is the name of a person, place, animal, thing, quality, material, group, idea, feeling, etc. So here examples are there. Sunil is a good actor. So Sunil is the name of a person. A deer can run very fast. A deer is the name of an animal. Ajanta and Ellora are Asian cave in Maharashtra. So Ajanta, name of the cave, Ellora also name of the cave, and where are these caves? So they are situated in Maharashtra. So Ajanta and Verul are ancient caves in Maharashtra. What are these caves? Caves means what? Gufa. So this way also it is a noun. Now we'll see how many types of noun are there. So noun can be of various types. Common noun. A common noun is the name given in common to person, places, animals or things of the same class or kind. So in the definition itself it is given common noun, common to persons, places, animals or thing of the same class or kind. So we'll see persons. So such word will come in a sentence: man, singer, professor, doctor, servant, guard, etc. Then for places, country, village, lake, city, state, district, mountain, etc. Animal, dog, zebra, bear, fox, goat, leopard, etc. Things, boat, tree, book, toy, key, table, chalk, bag, phone, etc. So here are some sentences. From that we have to find out which is the common noun. The graceful swam glided on the lake. So now here lake is what? Place. So this is a common noun. Thus graceful swam. This is the name of what? Animal. Then is all the passengers on the ship are safe. Now all the passengers, their names are not given, but it is written as what? Same class or kind. So all passengers are common noun. On the ship, ship name is also not described, but it is a ship, common noun, by which people travel. The girl was sitting behind the tree in the garden. Now the girl, name is not given. So girl word is a common noun which is used for all female. The girl was sitting behind the tree. Tree name is also not given, but it is a noun, common noun. And garden. This is also a common noun because it is a place. It tells us about the place where that girl is sitting. She is sitting behind the tree in the garden. Now here common noun is given, proper noun is given. Proper noun. A proper noun is the name of a particular person, place, animal or thing. A proper noun always began with a capital letter. Always began with a capital letter. Now here are some examples. how to make out it is a proper noun. So persons: Newton, Michael, Anish, Sunita, William, Daira, etc. So this indicates the particular name of a person. So this is a proper noun. Place: Mumbai, Spain, Australia, Dadar, etc. This indicates the particular name of a place. Then animal: Moti the dog, Bholu the parrot, Tom the cat, Jerry the mouse, etc. So this is a proper noun because it indicates the particular name of an animal. Things: Parker pen, classmate pencil, Camlin box, Vadilal ice cream, etc. So this is a proper noun because it indicates the particular name of a thing. Now here are some example. From that we have to underline the proper noun. I saw the Bay of Bengal in the distance as I was going towards Marina Beach. So I saw the Bay of Bengal. This is a proper noun because it indicates the place, particular place where it is. I saw the Bay of Bengal in the distance as I was going towards Marina Beach. So this also indicates the particular name of a place where I was going. So I was going to a Marina Beach. Then Mr. Ajinkya Nair gave an impressive speech in Pune yesterday. So Mr. Ajinkya Nair, this indicates the name of a particular person. And where he gave an impressive speech, which place? So in Pune. When he gave? Yesterday. So in Pune. Pune is also a proper noun. Now this year Diwali will come at the end of October. Now this Diwali, it indicates the particular name of a festival. And which month it will come? So it will come in particular name is given here, October. So these Diwali and October are proper noun. Then is Shah Jahan built the Taj Mahal. Now Shah Jahan is the name of a particular person. And what he built? The Taj Mahal. So this is the particular name of a place. So student, here I give you some homework. In this you have to underline the common noun and the proper noun. Emperor Akbar or Akbar the Great is known as one of the greatest ruler in the world. I can weigh up to 18 kilos and can stand to 4 feet in height. We need your support and love in order to survive. You can make my drawing and submit it to your teacher. All the spectators clapped and boosted the morale of both the teams. He wore beautiful fabric and sari. Now this fabric has become worthless, so I will not name any price for this rag. Now this fabric is of no use, for it has become worthless. Then someone else carded the cotton and spun it into long uniform thread. It lies quiet for a few days and then again are eruptions. There was no one there to cut the tree or kill the animals. He stood firmly on his feet and seemed unshakable. My hand-woven skill are exquisite, for they have natural colors and design. You can visit the 2 national park and 6 wildlife sanctuary here. It refresh him and infuse new strength in him. It is a fantasy, but it has an important message for children all over the world. They rushed to the stone and attempted to draw the sword from its steel anvil. Get my sword and rush back here at once. Arthur gripped the handle of the sword and drew the sword out gently but firmly. Arthur inserted the sword in the anvil and drew it effortlessly. So this sentence I have given you for homework. In this you have to underline the common noun and the proper noun, and in the answer you have to write which word is common and which is proper noun. So this much for the day. Have a good day, student. See you.